Hey guys, welcome to Playability Bunnies. I got this guy for my birthday yesterday, and I'm very excited to have him. And this one is called Murray Clutchburn, but in the package it says Spur Stop. And shortly, Thunder McQueen is gonna be reviewing with me, and his voice changed, so his voice dropped about May 25th, my birthday. I do a 360 of him. Let me get my tablet to do a 360 of him. There. He rolls very well, and by the fact, he has rubber tires, just like a real car should have. And it says, let me get focus. There you go. It says Lightyear. Let me focus on the wheel. It says Lightyear and Lightyear. So, and I will do Thunder McQueen is gonna do it soon. So hold on.